So the question 1, a message signal having VPP equals to 10 volt, band limited to 5 kilohertz, is transmitted by PCM. Each sample encoded with 4-bit. Find all possible parameter of PCM. So this is a question of digital communication, and if we see the given data, so VPP, this is V peak to peak voltage, it is 10 volt, then band limited to 5 kilohertz, means FM is 5 kilohertz. Each sample is encoded with 4 bits. This is basically 4 bits per sample. So here n is 4 bit per sample. Now we have to find out all the parameters. Basically all parameters of PCM are Fs, step size, L, quantization error, bit rate, bit deviation, bandwidth. So first find out L, which is equals to 2 to the power n, with 2 and n is 4, is equals to 16. Now Fs is also is equals to Nyquist rate, which is equals to 2 Fm. So 2 into Fm is 5 kilohertz. So Fs is 10 kilohertz. Fs is 10 kilohertz. What will be del? Del is V peak to peak divided by L. So V peak to peak is given 10 in the question, so it will be 10 volt, and L we have found is 16. So 10 by 6. Now finding out quantization error, max is plus minus del by 2, where del sorry, 10 by 16 to 2, which is 10 by 32 volt, plus minus. Bit rate is NFS, which is 2, and Fs was 10, and N was 4, Fs was 10, so it will be 40 kbps, kilobytes per second. This is, no, we talk about many ways that what is the bit rate of transferring. So this is 40 kbps per second. This is the bit rate. TB is 1 upon RB, which is 1 by 40 second, and bandwidth equals to RB, which is 50 millisecond. So we have find out all the parameters. Question number 2. A message signal of 10 2 pi to 10 to the power 4 t is transmitted by using 256 level of 266 level PCM system. Sampling rate is 50% higher than Nyquist rate. Find all parameter. So this question is same as the question number 1. The only difference is here it is given the sampling rate is 50% higher than the Nyquist rate. So first we will write down the given data, which is L is equals to 256 and Fs, that is sampling rate, is 50% higher than the Nyquist rate. That is Nyquist rate plus 50% of the Nyquist rate. This is the basic important concept of this question. All other parameters can be found as we have found the parameters in the previous question. So here, and also AM is equals to 10, FM is 10 to the power is 10 kilohertz. Okay, as it is 10 to the power 4, so 10 into 10 to the power 3, which is 10 kilohertz. Okay, so first we will find out the Nyquist rate, which is 2 of FM. According to the given data, FM is 10 kilohertz, so 20 kilohertz. Nyquist rate is 20 kilohertz. And then Fs, which is a sampling range, which is Nyquist rate plus 50% of the Nyquist rate. As given in the question, that sampling rate is 50% higher than the Nyquist rate. Okay, equals to 20 plus 50 into 20 100. That will be 30 kilohertz Fs. This is Nyquist rate. And then here del equals to 2 AM divided by L. Step size was 2 AM divided by L. 2 AM is 10, L was 256, so 20 upon 256. What is N? N is log 2 base L, log 2 base 256, which is equals to 8. Now the bit rate is equals to N Fs. NFS equals to 8 into 30, which is 240. Okay, bandwidth is equals to RB, which is 240 kilohertz, kbps, kilobytes per second. Now question number 3. In PCM system, MT is equals to sine 100 by t plus cos 100 by t is sampled at Nyquist rate. Samples are processed by a uniform quantizer with step size. The step size is step size of step sizes 0.75 volt. Find minimum data rate. So mt is equals to sine 100 pi t plus cos 100 pi t. So we can write it as 1 plus 1 cos 100 pi t plus 5. So this is am. Am is equals to root 2. Given data is step size, that is del is equals to 0.75. Step size is 0.75. Let's start the solution. As we know that del is equals to 2am divided by L. We know del, we know m. So here from here we can find L. So L equals to 2am divided by L equals to 2 root 2, and that is 0.75. By calculation we will get 3.77. Okay, as we know the L, from here we can find out the value of n. So after calculation, n is equals to 2, and fs is equals to 2 of fm. Okay, 2. What is fm? According to the equation, it is 100 pi t. 100 pi t, it can give 2 pi fm t. Here fm is 50. So fs is 100. fs is, we know fs, we know n, and data rate, we can also denoted by rb, is n of fs, which is equals to n is 2, fs is 100, which is equals to 200 kbps, kilobyte per second. So the answer is 200 kbps.